Ever wondered what the signs of a roof leak are? Recognizing these telltale signs early on can save you a world of trouble, not to mention a sizable chunk of change. So, why wait for the inevitable damage? Now let's dive into the signs that might indicate your roof is leaking. First, keep an eye out for water stains on your ceiling or walls. These stains often resemble large puddles encircled by brown rings, and they're a common harbinger of a roof leak. If you notice water stains, it's time to investigate further. Second, listen for the sound of dripping water. It's not just a rhythmic lullaby to sleep, but a potential sign of a roof leak. That soft patter or rushing sound inside your home isn't rain's symphony, but a leaky rooftop's distress call. If you hear water when it's raining, it's probably not just your imagination. Third, check for the presence of mold or mildew in your home. Leaky roofs often lead to excess moisture, creating the perfect breeding ground for these unwelcome guests. Mold and mildew not only damage your home, but can also cause health issues. Fourth, inspect your shingles. Shingles that are damaged, missing, or even wet are a clear indicator of a potential roof leak. These can act like open doors, allowing water to seep into your home, leading to further damage. Damaged shingles can let water seep into your home, causing further damage. So, you've learned the signs of a roof leak. In a blink, we've traversed the four main indicators: those telltale water stains that mar your ceilings and walls, the dripping water that seems to come out of nowhere, the unwelcome sight and smell of mold and mildew, and the damaged shingles that reveal themselves upon closer inspection of your roof. Each of these signs is a red flag, a call to action. And remember, early leak detection is a game changer. It's not just about saving your roof, it's about protecting your home, your sanctuary, and yes, your hard-earned money. Now that you know what to look for, you can catch a leak early and save your roof, and your wallet, from serious damage.